I think bisag janitor ka, pwede ka mo-appeal og PDP. So pag basurero ka o bisag pag bilyonaryo ka, ang core principle ng PDP is to gather everyone who wants, to transform the country. Not really in a revolutionary way, but slightly revolutionary way. Kay medyo the system of government gikan ba ni sa mga Amerikano kaniadto pa kaayo. And I think it doesn't suit us anymore. Before, the Philippines gamay pa kayong tao dire, the population mapatay na abot og 100 million. Karon kung naga-presidente ka and you're sitting in Malacanang, how will you know kung unsa how life runs in the provinces, in the other cities na layo sa mo? It's just not applicable to me, at least. It's not applicable anymore.
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.